So today has been a busy day. I'm sorry I look a mess. I was out running some errands and I'm just in sweats and stuff like that. And I need some sleep because I really haven't had much sleep. But no, so my fiance decided to move his desk out of the office area. So I'm redoing the whole office and it's mine. Finally. Okay. But no, he's giving me the whole office because we're moving the home gym in here. And because he knows I use it to work out and film and everything like that and do videos and other stuff like that. But now, like, I'll have a place where, if he wants to do his gaming and I want to film something, I don't have to sit here and be like, hey, I'm filming. You gotta be quiet, this or that, whatever. Or my dogs are running around acting crazy. But, yeah, so far, I'm just gonna show you. So I got stuff out in the hallway. I'm trying to figure out this whole desk setup. I know there's like stuff everywhere. But yeah, and then I got my bookshelf over here. I wiped it off, cleaned it off. And then I'm setting the gym floor up like this so far, and I have all this stuff I need to take down. But yeah. So I feel like, hold on. I feel like I'm not getting like the best angle of this. But yeah, I'm trying to get it like set up to where you guys can see it. But yeah, the floor is down the way that I wanted. I have to move this desk stuff over again because I have to start bringing in the equipment and I need space to get in. So I got to figure all of that out. So that's the next step. I'm gonna come on here and show you just a quick update, but I'm about to, excuse me, my voice. But I'm about to go to sleep and stuff like that because I really need some sleep right now. I'm running on 3.5 hours of sleep, and that's not good. And it's getting to me. So I'm going to show you like where I'm currently at. I think I got all the gym equipment in, but the rest of the gym equipment is right here in this basket, and it will be distributed in the little gym area over here and on this bookshelf. But I got a lot of stuff I gotta go through, but it's just not gonna happen right now. I'll probably finish the rest of this project tonight, and then probably during the day show you guys. That way y'all can see with daylight in here, or I'll either show you guys tonight. But I'm probably gonna also film a little bit of me like kind of cleaning up the office and organizing, so it'll just be like a speed through or a fast through. So we'll see. But as of right now, this is what the shelf's looking like. I'm gonna be putting my books and stuff back there. Right now in my closet, I have all that stuff. I just took it and threw it in a bin. Yeah, but that's where all that stuff's at. And I gotta go through all that too in time. But yeah, everything's here, and I can either keep it like this or I can turn it inwards. So just depending on what I'm doing. Put the tree over there because I wanted it right here, but it didn't fit. It was leaning like crooked like that, and I was like, no. And then cleaned off the little window line area, and then put that stuff right there. Yeah, and then I gotta move all this stuff over and change everything around as well here, and then put all that equipment up as well. And then I have to hang up all the other equipment on the wall, which it might go either over here or it might go along this wall. We'll see. But yeah. Still got a lot of work to do. Still got to make this look the way that I want it to. And yeah, because it's nowhere near where I want it to be right now. Okay, what's up, y'all? So we just went grocery shopping. I had my nap, showered, and went grocery shopping. So that's where we're at right now. I'm going to unload all these groceries, and then I'm going to show you my updated grocery haul. We're including this in today's vlog. Clean with me, whatever. Just get my shit together. Okay, before I show you all the food and everything like that real quick, I just wanted to show you the non-food related things. So I got some of this lash glue and stuff like that because I need to try on some lashes because I have a wedding I'm going to be going to. I also got some melatonin, the gummies and stuff like that. I feel like these work better for my system. I got this Fabuloso in Spring and Bloom. And then I'm trying the Lavender Fresh Dove, deodorant. My fiance got the Degree Power, this one. And then, what else? He also got the Hero in Degree. And then I just got a gallon size water bottle. I want one with the twist top because I want to start having like a full gallon every day and be monitoring a gallon, because the other container that I personally have, it's over half a gallon. It's 67 fluid ounces, but I have to fill it up and stuff like that. So just having 1 gallon, I can take it around with me everywhere I need to go. And then what is it? I wanted to try this Glade spray, the Exotic Tropical Blossom, because it reminds me of this candle by Bath and Body Works that they used to have. It was called Coconut Water back in the day. It smells exactly like that, but it's only 97 cents. It's not $20. So we're gonna be spraying this around the house because I love some coconut scents. Anything coconut flavored, scent, whatever, that's my jam. So and then we got toilet paper, nothing special, but I'm gonna go put that stuff away, and then I'll be back in here to show y'all the food. Okay, so I got the ground black pepper in here. We needed a new one. I got these ranch seasoning packets for my cucumbers. There was another seasoning packet that they used to carry at the store, but they don't carry it anymore. They carry the zesty Italian one, but not the Italian herb. And that's what I normally use on my cucumbers, but it's not this brand. It's a completely different brand, different packaging. And then, like I said, I have melatonin up there, so that's really about all that we got up there. And then we got some butter flavored spray for cooking. My fiance, I was like, okay, babe. Got those at the dollar store. I'm just gonna show you regardless. Yeah, green tea at the dollar store, and that's the brand, the Hill Country Fair caramel coffee, because they didn't have the great value kind, and I just put them in this and have them organized. So I'm gonna put that back up top, and I'm just like that way I don't have them overstacked and everything like that. I also got the Yogi Peach Detox tea because I wanted some of that. And I got, they didn't have the great value pink lemonade, so I got the Weiler's Light. It's still sugar free and everything like that. And these ones come with 10. I've gotten some from HEB that only have 8. But the Walmart ones have 10. I don't know what the difference is because it's the same price. And these were only $1. So I got 4 of those because I like to have them with my collagen. That's all that's in there. And this is where most of the other food is at. My fiance got him some more cereal, some Reese's, some, what is this? Sorry, the print is like really small. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cocoa Pebbles. So he got that, and then he's got to finish those off. But he loves him some cereal. All that stuff is his. None of that's mine. And then I got 2 classic caramel sugar-free syrups. So, yes. Oh, I don't know why I thought that said that. Okay, and then he got him a family size club crackers. We got him some of the Slim Jims, the 26 originals. He likes those. He got him some Newtons. And I got some strawberry applesauce, because this should be banging. Haven't had it in a long time. I got my mangoes because y'all know my addiction. You just, if you know, you know. I was gonna get protein bars, but I decided not to because they're more expensive. But these are the Fiber One chocolate chip cookies. I've been trying to find these everywhere, and finally my Walmart got them. I don't know how long they're gonna stay, but they're really hard to find. I don't know why that is, because they used to be everywhere, but I love me some chocolate chip cookies. Because I can find like the Fiber One brownie bars and stuff, but I'm not a fan of those. I always love me some chocolate chip cookies. And as long as I portion control these, I'm gonna be good. So I got 3 boxes of those for myself. And then I got me one little SpaghettiOs Frankenweenies. I call them Frankenweenies, but those are my favorite since I was a kid. My fiance got him some Spam. Not that one. He got him some fresh onion dip. And then let's go to this next one. He wanted some unsweetened applesauce, so we got that. We got him some Ruffles original. We got him some Hamburger Helper. And then we got the Ragu meat sauce because he really likes that. And then down here, oh, this was non-grocery related, but got some more Ziploc bags. We got some ketchup, nothing special. And then I got some hot sauces, Crystal hot sauce. I don't really discriminate against hot sauce. I do have a personal preference. My favorite is Texas Pete, and I would say I like this one too. This one was something new I liked. The Louisiana Craven Cajun hot sauce. I got this from a gas station, so I'm trying that one. So that one's really good actually. And then this one I saw at the store today. I never had this. This one's a Cajun hot sauce made with red peppers and garlic. So I was like, let me try this. Zatarain's, never had it. So I like to experiment. But Texas Pete is my favorite, but they ran out at the store. The whole section was cleared out. So yeah, I'm very sad about that. But that's where we're at with this. Freezer wise, I got some broccoli, another bag of broccoli. I already have some over here. And then my fiance wanted some classic corn dogs, and then he wanted his taquitos, and these are the chicken taquitos. So that's what we got him, and all that other stuff has been there. Okay, and then I got some strawberries and some more strawberry applesauce, and I got some hummus this time. And then down here I got green bell peppers, and I got cucumbers underneath there, so I got to chop all that up. These are snacks. This is supposed to go with some of my dinners. And then in here we got butter, more butter, because it's been a minute since I had this, and we're having steak tonight. And then what is it? We got some lunch meat down here. This packet is my fiance's. Sorry, the turkey and honey ham. And then I got me some honey smoked white turkey. This is for me for snacks. Just trying to get back into, you know, some simpler things that I really liked. So we're doing that. But yeah, that was my grocery haul. I hope y'all like that. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Okay, support your girl. So that's not all that I'm filming in this video. So it's not just groceries. I'm redoing the office and everything like that. So office, now gym room, filming setup. It's my space. But yeah, we're getting that all together and stuff like that. I still got to work on that, and I still have laundry to do, but my priority is kind of laundry, and most of the gym is kind of set. I just got to re-clean and organize my office area, and then kind of between that and the closet and the bookshelf. So that's going to be included. So if this vlog and kind of just with me is a little long, I'm sorry about that, but that's kind of, there's just a lot that I want to show you guys in this. So I'm incorporating as much as I can for y'all, because I feel like I want to do short content, but I want this video to be longer. So I'm going to stop rambling though and going about my business right now. Okay. Y'all, so I made this steak, and then these are instant potatoes. These are butter and herb, and then I got my garlic parmesan butter on top, and I'm about to chow down. Just made this, and I made it some for my fiance and everything. I'm ready to